Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to this edition of the news. I am Suzanne Nosmung and here are the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launches website of Directorate of Sainik Welfare. Meghalaya stems back award for best record of public involvement in its transport planning. Maupro village celebrates inauguration of its first pineapple processing unit and stockyard. Asha workers abstain from work starting from Monday to pressurize government to fulfill their demands. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today launched the website of Directorate of Sainik Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, at the 24th Raja Sainik Board meeting held at Secretariat, Shillong. Progress of the construction of Sainik Rest House in Shillong, establishment of Zila Sainik Board and Sainik Rest House at Tura, sanction of welfare organizer officers, etc. were among some of the agendas that were discussed during the meeting. Shillong received an award for city with the best record of public involvement in its transport planning for the project Shared Commuter Service in East Khasi Hills, Shillong, an initiative implemented by the Sustainable Transport and Efficient Mobility Society, STEMS. On the occasion of the 16th Urban Mobility India Conference and Expo 2023, held from October 27 to 29 in New Delhi. The first initiative of STEMS, which was conceptualized in the year 2021 by the State Planning Department, hit the ground in 2023 with the release of 30 school buses catering to various choke points of the city of Shillong. True empowerment is not about providing arms and donations, but equipping one with the knowledge and the skill sets to navigate through the challenges of life. With this purpose in mind, Bethany Society organized a 6-month foundation course in computer and employability training for the visually impaired students, and in a short span of 6 months, the transformation seen in these students will leave you in awe. Watch this full report.
Around 15 visually impaired students underwent a 6-month training to sharpen their skills in the latest technologies, and the results on completion of this resourceful journey was the transformation of these once shy students to confident nation builders. The graduation and closing ceremony of foundation course in computer and employability training, sponsored by North-East Center for Technology and Reach, was held at Bethany Society on Saturday. On the occasion, students presented 2 PowerPoint presentations on Swachh Bharat in Words Lake and tree plantation in Sora, respectively. The Director General of North-East Center for Technology and Reach, Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma, who was a special guest at the event, encouraged social organizations to not confine themselves to computer course training, but also venture into digital marketing and other innovative techniques.
So with this experience and with the kind of support that we have been getting from the other, so can we approach to the state government or to other societies to make it a big way, to make an impact to the society that this is what's possible. Maybe not, we should not also restrict to ourselves only in this program. 5 kilometers around the Bethany Society, some digital app in the mobile that we can create and collect all these things from the people, from the all families, and make it here itself. We can also introduce some kind of technology over there to make it segregate it and do it something different product, and also take it to the market.
Computer instructor Thirunet Dakhara told DD News that this program started last year as a 2-month course called Fundamentals. This year, they upped the game and extended the course to 6 months. In an incredible mark of achievement, a student has already been placed in post office.
Actually, this we started last year, but that is only for 2 months. It's called Fundamental, and after that program, short for 2-month course, then this year we have started another 6 months course. So this is like what I told you, it's a foundation course in computer and advanced in employability. Soon after this, we will be planning how to work on it to get more candidates.
Students who received their computer course certificates were all smiles and expressed joy as they not only know about computers but have learned to be independent and confident.
It has helped me a lot, not only in computer or keyboard augmentation, even in my mobility, even in communication skills, even how to manage in the society, how to have patience, compassion.
Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
Maupro village reached a significant milestone today in its dedication to supporting local pineapple farmers with the inauguration of its maiden pineapple processing unit and stockyard. This initiative is poised to revolutionize the storage of pineapples and the creation of a diverse range of pineapple-based products. The project boosts a substantial budget of Rs 70 lakh sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The management of this pioneer processing unit has been entrusted to the Maupro Village Committee, administered by a village organization comprising of 10 self-help groups. The processing unit was inaugurated by Nongpo MLA Meral Bonds Aim.
Kiba penmi yang kesok kipai la bende kesok turun la bende kelado la bende kelaget la bende kebun ichur kiba ngi perenkam kibril kade geding smart geding pi kade geding kerku gedung beli kabala penlong bansan kemat yaka di betulan.
Asha workers under the banner of Meghalaya Asha Workers Union MASHAWU resorted to agitation by abstaining from work from today to November 6 in order to put pressure on the state government to meet their demands, including enhancement of monthly honorarium. This move came after a delegation of Asha workers met Health Minister Ampareen Lingdor last week to apprise her about the various grievances concerning their day-to-day functioning. A cleaning drive of the Mintu River, organized by the Sinjuk Kiwahe Chnong, Jowai, along with all the local leaders of Jowai town on Saturday, witnessed an active participation of people from cross-sections of society. Leaders of Senjuk, led by President Jilan K. Rimbai, General Secretary Rikumar R.Q. Lalu, and local residents collected the leftover plastic and garbage from the water belt. Through this initiative, the Sinjuk aimed at fostering understanding, unity and responsibility among all the residents of Jowai, while highlighting the importance of preserving and promoting the Mintu River. And here is the good news to all our viewers. On popular demand, DD News Meghalaya is increasing its bulletin time from 10 minutes to 15 minutes from 5th November 2023. The viewers can watch our Khasi bulletins from 6:30 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. and English bulletin from 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. You can also watch our bulletins live on DD News Meghalaya YouTube channel. So stay tuned to DD Meghalaya for authentic and credible news of our state. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 24.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was recorded at 12.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 49%, while in the evening was 50%. Shillong will experience dry weather most likely. We have for you today in the news. Thank you for watching and good night.